shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty. Go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag. Okay, shorty, 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 okay, shorty. Go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl OohlaLa'Cheri, and I'm back for another video. Today I'm gonna do a comparison with Detangler brushes. So this is the regular Denman brush, and this is the big Instagram craze, the Easy Detangler. And so I haven't tried either of them yet. I'll be doing it here with you guys. So Denman brushes have been around for forever. I don't know what happened all of a sudden to make them such a big deal, but we'll find out. So yeah, this is what it looks like. These brushes are, I guess they're not as expensive as I thought they were. This one I believe was maybe about $25, and my hair is actually wet right now, in case you can't tell. So it looks like this, or should I do it this way? Yeah. And there's this little thing, I think it separates the bristles or something. Maybe I should read it. And then the letters are so, like, I can barely read that. Easy detangling, okay. Favorite conditioner will wet your hair to easily glide through the curls and detangle. Much easier when detangling type 1 or 2 hair. I don't know what type of hair I have. Now you can skip the pain. Okay. Wet your hair. Gently brush vertically. Vertically? Okay. Gently brush vertically from the roots to the ends. Never heard that before. Okay. This will massage your roots and detangle the tough knots. Follow through with Easy Detangler brush horizontally to fully detangle and make the curls pop. Okay. So then what is this little thingy about? So I'll try it on this side. I'll separate my hair in two sides so that we can see if the Denman brush is any different or if this other thing is even worth it. Okay. So it says from the roots to the no ma'am. What? Okay. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Wait. Let me do this part back here because it's super wet. I think this might be a big deal. Okay, so back here is really wet. So it says to do it horizontal from the roots. I like to do things my way, but I will try to go with the instructions. Okay, so I did that, and now, no, for real. No, for real. This literally is just, I've never detangled my hair so fast. Hold on. Like, it's done. I wonder why it works so well, because they separate when you... Yo, this is everything. Okay, so I'm going to twist this side to get it out of the way. And then we'll try the Denman brush that's been around for forever. And all of a sudden, it's like a hot item. Oh, maybe I should have put my leave-in before I did that. I didn't put anything in my hair at all. So I just washed and conditioned and then got right on camera when it was time to detangle. So no products as of yet, but we're going to see how the Denman brush works. Now, there are no instructions on that. It's just a freaking brush. But we'll see if there's a difference. And I need to work fast because my hair is drying a little bit. Okay, what can I use? I'm just going to use a bobby pin because that's what I have in front of me. Okay, so we'll just keep this over here and okay. Denman. It's a little tougher to work through. Okay. Really? Okay. It's not as, I mean, it does what it needs to do, but it's not as painless. Like, this definitely takes more elbow grease. Okay. I'm scared. This is gonna hurt. Yeah, I think for this brush, well, you know what? Just because we're comparing, let me see with a bigger side, with a bigger amount of hair. No, this one is definitely still way better. Like, way better. I'm gonna put this little thing on here. Where did I put it? Yeah, so, and then, because it's black, you can't really tell, but there's, oh, maybe if I separate it like this. There's no hair. Like, it pulled none of my hair out. With this one, I mean, it's not a lot at all. In fact, it's barely any, but there's none in this one. So we're following the vertical. I don't know if this little thing is making a difference. Oh. It came loose. This brush is everything. Like, whatever I spent for it, $25, I would, like, I'm literally going to use this every time I wash my hair. The detangle process is so much smoother. So this right here is a plus. I'm going to go through it with the comb just to see how, yeah, see, I can comb right through. Nothing. Okay, easy detangler for the win. The Denman brush, I don't know who it's for. Not for me. But yeah. So this is using the Denman brush. This side. My hair dries so fast when I don't want it to. Okay. So this side is with the Denman brush. So guys, the Easy Detangler is definitely the better brush, and I hope that helped you make the decision on whether or not you want to buy one of these or spend an extra couple of dollars on this. And with this one, you definitely will save a lot of time. So that's it for the video for today. Take your time to like, comment, and subscribe, please. And I will see you guys soon.